Visit our YouTube channel at Max TV. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications on our uploads.
As Nigeria joins the rest of the world to mark this year's International Women's Day, women in Nigeria's Niger Delta region have been urged to take the center stage in restoring lasting peace to the region. Coordinator of the Center for Gender and Conflict Studies at the University of Port Harcourt, Dr. Nsirim Walu, made the call in an exclusive chat with Inside the Niger Delta.
25 years after the Beijing Resolution on Women's Rights and Gender Equality was adopted, the United Nations is concerned that the level of progress made so far has been slow across the globe. Implementation of the Beijing Resolution in Nigeria, particularly the Niger Delta, falls short of the UN declaration, as the vast majority of women are still victims of political and socio-economic exclusions. Director of the Center for Conflict and Gender Studies at the University of Port Harcourt, Dr. Nsirim Walu, wants women in the Niger Delta to get more proactive in the campaign for gender equality.
I stand within the United Nations, which says each for equal. That balance is what we are looking for in every sphere of life. In the home, in the office, in the church, on the streets. That opportunity, the moment is there, you begin to see that things will begin to fall in place. So women should brace up, reorient themselves. How have you used what you have to bring about improvements in those who are around you? So those who are slightly disadvantaged, they should be encouraged to find their feet. So women help others to ascend to the top.
As part of their contribution to the peace building in the Niger Delta, Dr. Nsirim Walu calls on women to mobilize for positive change in the region.
For the Niger Delta women, we actually need to seize this opportunity, bring ourselves together, garner resources and energy to see how we can make or bring about change in our society.
This year's International Women's Day focuses on diversity as a tool to promote gender equality.